Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down CNC router bits versus regular bits and why choosing the right one makes or breaks your project. Let's get into it. Welcome to WEIXTools, your go-to source for all things cutting tools. Click the link below this video to get your free WEIXTools product catalog, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icons for more practical tips. What are CNC router bits? CNC router bits are precision tools designed specifically for use with CNC machines. These specialized tools are optimized for cutting materials like wood, metals, and plastics at high speeds with exceptional accuracy, crucial for automated processes. Regular bits simply aren't built to handle this level of precision and speed. Differences between CNC router bits and regular router bits. The critical difference lies in their design, as CNC bits are engineered for high speed, precise cutting, making them ideal for CNC machines. Regular bits aren't designed to handle CNC operational demands, resulting in less accurate cuts and faster wear. Materials and construction. CNC bits typically use higher-grade materials like high-speed steel, HSS, or carbide. These ensure effective performance on diverse workpieces, including harder materials like metal and dents, which regular bits often use lower-grade materials unsuited for CNC speeds and precision. Performance and precision. CNC bits maintained high cutting speeds and sharpness for extended periods with proper maintenance. They deliver consistent, high-quality results. Regular bits used in CNC machines dull quickly, causing inefficient and inaccurate outcomes. Why regular router bits shouldn't be used in CNC machines? Using regular bits in a CNC machining can lead to issues of a number, including poor quality cuts, increased wear on the tools, and potential damage to both the machine and the workpiece. CNC bits are specifically designed to handle the high speed potential for automated operations of CNC machines. Damage to machines and workpieces. Regular bits are not built for the high-speed rotation and precision required in CNC machining. Using these tools can result in excess vibration, overheating, and inaccuracies that damage both the workpieces and the machine itself. For instance, using irregular bits on a harder material like metal can cause the bit to wear down prematurely, resulting in poor quality cuts, inefficiency, and inaccuracy. Regular bits in CNC machines caused inefficiencies and inaccuracies. CNC bits ensure automated precision for faster, accurate cuts. Regular bits compromise details and slow production. Choosing the right CNC bits. Choosing the right CNC bits for your project. Your project is essential to achieving high quality results. Factors like material type, cutting geometry, and applications should all be read to coincide. Ensure that you are using the correct tools for the job. Factors to consider when selecting CNC bits. Taking into account the type of material you are working with, as well as the desired cut type and finish. For example, spiral bits are great for cleaning cuts on wood, while straight bits are ideal for heavier duty cuts. Understanding the material properties and cutting needs will help you choose the right tools for your project. Types of CNC bits. There are many types of CNC bits, each suited to different tasks. 1. Spiral bits are ideal for smooth finishes and efficient chip removal. 2. Straight bits are used for heavier duty cutting, like sign making. 3. Uppercut bits lift chips away from the workpiece, preventing burn marks. 4. Down. Cut bits push chips downward, providing aclion edges on the top surface. Compression bits combine up a cut and down cut. Designs for aclion finish on both sides of lamina. TED materials, maintenance and care for proper. CNC bits. Maintaining CNC bits is essential for ensuring long-lasting performance. Regular inspections and cleaning and proper storage can extend the life of your tools and ensure optimal cutting efficiency. Tips for prolonging lifespan. To extend the life of CNC bits, focus on proper chip removal during cutting. Avoid excessive heat buildup and inspect the tool's regular life for wear. These practices can help maintain the sharpness of your bits and prevent premature wear. That's complete breakdown of CNC router bits. WEIXT regular router bits. Hope you found this useful. If so, smash that like button and subscribe to WEIX Tools so you never miss our deep dive tool tutorials. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories or help troubleshooting any bit issues. For more in-depth info and our full product range, visit WEIXTOOL.com and grab your free product catalog via the link under this video. Thanks for watching. Like, commenting, and subscribing to WEIX Tools. See you in the next one, and happy machining!